Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and today I will show you how we can find and manage sound settings. Open the settings, next go for the sound and vibration, and as you can see at the first we can change the sound mode, so we got sound, vibrate and mute. If you want to pick the different, just click like that. But let's switch to the sound. We can activate a vibration while ringing, we can change ringtone, the same with the notification sound. There's the volume levels from the ringtone, media, notifications and the system. We can also change our function of volume keys, so we can control media or ringtone volume. We can change a vibration pattern, the same for the notification. And we can change the vibration intensity by the touch interaction. Here we can find the system sound and vibration control. As you can see, there's a lot of them, so we can simply turn them off or turn them on by tapping on the switchers. And here we got also sound quality effects. There's the Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for the gaming. And the last one, separate app sound. So we can turn it on and click select. We can, for example, select the YouTube, then just go back and we can choose the audio device, like maybe the Bluetooth device. Then just go back. As you can see, that's how we can set it up. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.